All right, a little bit chilly out there this morning, but we are in the beginning of a warm-up as we look at the days ahead. It's almost like you're at the bottom of a roller coaster and you're ready to go up, up, up.
And and what's really interesting about this roller coaster, David, is that Trey has told us it's still climbing. And it's going to climb through the end of the month. Is that right?
That's right. We'll reach a point where we kind of coast in the upper end of our temperatures here as we work our way over the next couple of days, as we work our way back above average. Now, this morning, we're starting out with temperatures in the low to mid 40s, a little bit cooler for places like Newcastle, Butler, and Franklin, where we've had some clearing overnight. Butler is reporting a little bit of fog there this morning, but elsewhere, we're looking at temperatures in the lower 40s here this morning. We'll peak in the mid to upper 50s this afternoon. The clouds that are currently in place will gradually diminish through the day, and we're expecting a north wind at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. High pressure is in control of our weather pattern right now, centered over western Kentucky, and it's really expansive, and that's going to lead us to several days of clear, dry, and comfortable conditions with temperatures that'll gradually be warming up. You can see the cloud cover gradually diminishing through the day as we begin to work in some drier air. Temperatures will peak in the mid to upper 50s, even near 60 for a few folks later on this afternoon. And then overnight, under clear skies, calm winds, we're expecting temperatures to drop back down close to freezing, especially if you're outside of Pittsburgh under mostly clear skies. We could see a little bit of patchy fog develop tomorrow morning, especially in some of the low elevation areas. River valleys, you want to watch for that early tomorrow morning. And then as we work in some drier air, a little bit of daytime heating, that will mix out through the day on Friday. Now, Friday afternoon, temperatures will peak back into the mid and upper 60s, 66 the high in Pittsburgh. And Friday is the start of our warming trend, especially where we'll start to see those temperatures work their way back above average. And that is expected to continue as we work our way into this upcoming weekend and early next week, a prolonged warm and dry stretch as this ridge of high pressure builds in the upper levels, and we'll likely see that remain in place until the middle of next week when we may be able to work in some rain chances. How far above average? Well, you can see temperatures will be in the lower 70s. Our average high is 63. So by Saturday, Sunday, and Monday next week, we're looking at temperatures that'll be a good 10 to 15 degrees above average, and that will extend even beyond the 7-day forecast as well. Dry conditions all the way through this upcoming weekend. 66 the high tomorrow, 70 on Saturday. Steelers are at home on Sunday, and unlike that stormy game a couple of weeks ago, looking at clear conditions for this upcoming weekend.